everyone! Good afternoon. Andito kami ngayon sa Wahin. Nagbabakasyon. Break muna tayo sa benta-benta and makapag-content na lang din ako. Pumunta muna kami sa Macro. Napakalaking grocery store. Wholesale store dito sa Thailand. And also meron na din silang mga imported goods. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung laman ng aming cart. But for now, naghahanap muna ako kung ano yung pwede namin bilhin dito. Yogurt. Checking Greek yogurt. Feta cheese. Wala dito. Oh, eto siya. Greek yogurt. Etong Greek yogurt na ito, wala dun sa Macro na malapit sa amin. Oh, merong Greek yogurt na triple berry flavor. Tingnan natin ang calories kung maintindihan ko. Pero Greek naman na nakalagay. Pero mas masarap yun. Pareho lang sila nitong isa. 89 baht. Nasa 150 pesos. Aray!
What happened? What happened? Hello? What happened? Oh, do we need cheese for the barbecue bread? Did you get tomatoes?
No, not yet. Should I get? Langga only 165 baht, oh. This big and we don't have this in our Macro. So, yan yung mga napanguha. Mamaya, unbox ko na lang yan sa iyo. One kilogram, this is 270 baht. Ito, isa, ilang kilogram ito? Price, yun din, 1 kilogram, 165. So, mas mura ito siya. Yun lang yung kukunin natin. Pinakamurang yogurt. We have 3 potatoes left. Is it enough?
Yes. For now.
Dito yung mga pabenta nila, mga malalakihan na talaga, and then nakapack. Yan. Kung kuha kayo ng mga packs na ganito, wholesale na yan siya. You know, Thailand is best in fruit. Eto. 49 lang ang kilo ng kanilang dragon fruit. Nasan mga 80 pesos? Wait, mga 70 pesos. Dragon fruit, and kukuha ako niyan. May orange na ako nakuha kanina. Parang ito yung avocado na binibenta sa yung avocado sa palibot ng kubo ko. Ito yun siya, oh. And ang benta dito is 39 baht each, or nasa mga 60 pesos ang isa. Okay, kukuha lang ako ng dragon fruit. Kukuha ako ng kamatis. Unfortunately, ang kamatis nila ay nakapack ng malalaki and hindi naman namin kayang ubusin kung ganito kalaki ang packs nila. So, maybe I'll go to the local market na lang. Hanapin ko yung local market nila dito and maghahanap ng kamatis. Dahil tig-1 kilo, hindi namin yan mauubos for a week. Ang bigat, lampas 1 kilo siya para sa dalawang malalaking mga dragon fruit. Ayan yung mga maliliit na garlic. Yan yung mga native garlic. Yan yung favorite ng mga Thai kasi mas maliit, mas matapang ang amoy. And mas ano yung lasa. Ispiso ang lasa. Okay, dito yung isa nakapili ng karne. Nagdemand ako nung lamb. Where did you get the lamb? Doon, isa sa mga freezer doon merong lamb. So yun yung ni-request ko. Wow! Look at this. Look at this. Iba pala yung effect, no? Pag nakaharap yung camera sa madaming ilaw, ang sakit sa mata pa. So siya, hinayaan ko lang yun siya magpili kasi siya ang best. He's the best when it's picking up to the meat. Langay, only show them your butt. Sorry.
Belly? Did I get some belly?
You didn't get belly? Oh, ito na yung mga nakuha niya, oh. Dairy beef, chilled dry aged strip loin, Thai Wagyu beef, chilled strip loin. For 1 week. Hindi ko sure kung 1 week na konsumo pa lang yan. Gatas. Kumuha ko ng Greek yogurt. Sa akin itong mga healthy. Alam nyo, bibigyan natin ng space dito. Kasi, as far as I know, kukuha pa yan siya ng soda. Napakalaking Coke. Na siya lang iinom. Bahala siya sa buhay niya. Kasi ako, hindi naman ako mahilig mag soft drinks. So, bibigyan natin ng space dito. While busy siya sa pagkukuha ng kanyang mga karne. Yeah, because this is holiday. So, why not? Pag kasi wala ako sa Thailand, more on take-away food na yung mga kinukuha niya. And then ngayon, nagdemand ako na lumabas muna kami for a week, magbakasyon for a week. That's it. And pag nagbabakasyon kami, ay, in fairness naman, spoiled niya ako. Lahat ng gusto ko ay okay. So, dun ako bumabawi. Nag-aaway pag nasa bahay, pag bakasyon ay, it's my time. Did you get the eggs?
No.
This is number 2.
Oh, that's bigger. That's nice. But that's too small. Here, number 1.
Yeah, number 1. Get that all.
Oh, wait, check the date. 12 is the first date.
Yeah, that's why I love taking vacations with him because I get spoiled.
Coffee? You don't have the promotion where you get a cup?
The 0% coffee.
It's only 450 for that. No,
I don't drink 3 in 1.
I didn't say 3 in 1.
No promotion. Normally kasi yung mga kinukuha namin na Nescafe na ganyan, may mga free na mga mugs. May something na free ba? Ngayon wala silang promotion.
What's funny?
Yeah, it's fine.
This is my cappuccino.
Moccona is fine.
Yeah, you want?
Yeah. And I like the bottle of Moccona. Grabe yan siya mag-shopping kasi pati mga grams, kilograms, dapat ano yun, balance yung price.
$190 and the Nescafe is $200. Why do did they sell Doritos?
6 liters. 6 liters of water. Not bad. Nestle is fine lang ga.
Yeah.
Mm.
Cheaper because it's Arrow. I don't even know what it is. The butter.
Wait lang. Ispag is available at Sheena Bangkok Wardrobe. PM lang kayo. But this one is Little Bunny siya, pero tinry ko yung copy edition nila. And the copy edition nasa box. Yung original walang box ha. If gusto nyo, wala kayong budget sa original, this one is goods to go. May konting mga flaws lang. Okay.
Huh?
How do you read that? Ha?
No.
Manaw, no. This one.
Schweppes.
Schweppes?
Schweppes.
There's no R.
I said Schweppes. Where do you hear R?
No, I heard R. Mangangaway lang tayo, guys.
Schweppes. Schweppes.
Okay, again, hindi ito real na home. Okay, kung gusto niyo yung wachicha, wala kayong budget sa orig, may mga kaunting flaws, hindi talaga niya copy lahat, especially yung loob, yung logo, yung kulay nito, dahil ang original ay pink din. And hindi kayo basta-basta makakuha ng ganitong color din sa hold. And ang mga tahi, may mga flaws ang tahi ha. So if ever wala kayong budget, but gusto niyo lang magkaroon ng ganitong bag, go for it. Meron din akong on hand. Kasi masyadong, ano yung iba. May comment dun sa isang customer ko na fake daw yung hold. Walang kahit will fall. So, since naghahanap pa yun ng fake din, okay, bentahan ko kayo. Why not? Madami pala akong market din sa fake. Para-paraan. Spices. The ketchup ha. Tomato sauce. Spices na lang. Siya talaga yung best sa ganito, pasunod-sunod. Ang assignment ko lang pag nag-grocery kami ay sinasabi ko lang kung ano yung kailangan ko. Pero normally, hindi naman din kami masyado nag-grocery kasi siya na lang nag-grocery online. May ito kasi tindahan na ito Macro. Meron silang online app na. So, pinapadeliver niya na lang sa bahay. Bailey's yummy. Nangga? Bailey's yummy. The Bailey's too.
What? That's for that one.
Cute naman itong bote na to.
ในรัศมีแมคโครเฟิร์สทุกท่านค่ะเนื่องจากวันนี้จะมีการเปลี่ยนแปลงราคาสินค้าบางรายการเพื่อความสะดวกในการเลือกซื้อสินค้าเพื่อสมาชิกการนำไปสู่ราคาเพื่อสมาชิก
So, kukuha ng uling. Uling ba? Uling or fire starter?
โดยการติดต่อสอบถามได้ที่เคาน์เตอร์ประชาสัมพันธ์ค่ะในรัศมีแมคโครเฟิร์สทุกท่านค่ะเนื่องจากวันนี้จะมีการเปลี่ยนแปลงราคาสินค้าบางรายการเพื่อความสะดวกในการเลือกซื้อสินค้าเพื่อสมาชิกการนำไปสู่ราคาเพื่อสมาชิก
You see it? Oh,
So this is
yes. Maybe they moved it again. There, oh. Here? Solid alcohol fuel. And the coals. Ay. Straw, kala ko coal.
there it is. You wanna get that?
Really?
No.
Charcoal briquette grade A. Yeah, from the local store outside.
Why that one is 10 baht cheaper than? Oh, it's a different brand.
Soap, laundry soap. Wala silang bareta dito. Puro laundry soap, powder at saka liquid meron. Wala, may ka-cheap and then. Ay. There, oh. Naga. Spices lang naman hinahanap. Did you get this? Gherkins. It's finished. Grabe sila makasili dito, no? Yung bentahan ng sili, tigi 1 kilo. Mga dried powdered chili, tigi 1 kilo. At yung mga magagandang ipasalubong sa atin. Ah, meron din silang ganito ground chili na nakapack na, nakasachet. At least, kahit na nasaan ka, pwede mo lang siyang ibaon. Picturean ko nga ito para maka-order ako niya. Dalhin ko sa Pilipinas. Mahilig kasi magbiyahe at then walang mga sili halos sa atin. So, salt and pepper, yes.
We're done. You get the kiwi? You get the kiwi? We're back.
Okay, counter time na tayo. Dito pala sa Macro din namin, parang same siya sa Europe yung style nila na, or other countries na kailangan may dala ka na sarili mo na plastic bag. Kasi if wala kang dala na bags, for sure, kakamayin mo na lang. Or they can just allow you to bring it to your car and put it in the boot. Pero kami may dala kaming plastic bag pero hindi siya enough. Kasi hindi ko naman alam na ganito karami ang kanyang kukunin.
You bring soap. Body soap.
Your body soap, no.
Why not?
Process
Maybe they'll
now.
send you a new one, but they're not refund. And I have to send them like a video, like evidence. Yeah? Or maybe I have to send that one back, the broken one.
I'll get a card.
Okay? The pineapple is going to be a problem.
The?
Pineapple.
Why?
Because you took one that doesn't have a little label on it. Some of them had something hanging on it. Let's see.
Yun talaga guys. May times na wala lang talaga akong ginagawa. Paminsan lutang, ayaw tumulong, ganyan. Okay, so ayun na yung mga pinamili. Parang hindi ko na need, parang hindi ko na kailangan i-unbox, pero for sure pagdating mamaya sa bahay ako na mag-unpack nito. Papasok sa fridge. And papakita ko na lang din. Nakita nyo na to dati. Kasi dati nakapunta, tinur ko na kayo sa Airbnb house. What?
Queue.
Can we not do it later after here?
Can you see the queue?
Not much and they're fast. See? It's going to melt.
I said queue.
Get my bag. Get my bag.
Where's the big bag? Put them straight there.
My useless bag. How much is it? Oh no. You're poor now. It's because of the lamb. Gusto niya daw itong soft serve chocolate banana. Better. Where are they getting the strawberries? You'll get? What you will get?
Chocolate.
So, ito yung chocolate banana. 8 baht siya. 8 baht siya or mga nasa 14 pesos. 14, 13 something. For only 8 baht, not bad. But I have to turn it off. Cup.
Cup is 18, the cone is 8.
Oh, I see.
It's 18 with all of this.
So, okay. I'll get the cone.
Vanilla, you want the vanilla?
Yes, and I want the cone.
Cone?
Yes.
Oh no,
Why?
you need a cup.
Okay. Cup is too much. It's a lot. Cone lang ga. I'll get the cone.
Mix chocolate, banana one. Second one, milk.
I don't. Chocolate. Tea na tea. How many minutes? Some na tea daw lang ga. Chocolate. Only banana. No, we wait. Yeah, we can wait. Yes.
What's discount? Free.
Did you pay already? Maybe pay first. Because some are lining up. Ito na yung cart ng ibang wholesale. I don't have. 3 minutes pa daw yung chocolate. Banana lang yung available. Oopsie! Chocolate banana! Testing mic test. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Moment of truth is ako na nga yung mag-unbox or magpa-file up sa fridge nitong mga na pang grocery. So ako hindi naman ako pala junk food and pala Coke. So for sure ito hindi naman to mauubos. Back up lang to. And here, itlog. Coke, which is hindi din sa akin dahil hindi ako pala soda. Yung akin lang dito ay mga gulay, prutas, which we can share. M&M's, hindi to sa akin. Anything unhealthy or chocolatey, hindi ako masyado mahilig sa chocolate. But pag white chocolate and mga matcha, yun, paborito ko yun. This is lamb chops. So, ilang days din to. Kasi sabi ko, nag-crave ako ng lamb talaga. It's been a long time since hindi kami nakapag-barbecue ng lamb. The pear. Pear. Ayan. Tapos, ano meron dito? May Coca-Cola sa gilid. Meron ding, pag sa atin, Royal to pero Fanta siya. And Schweppes. Zero sugar. Importante, zero sugar. Pero hindi din ako pala inom kahit saan dyan. More on water lang ako, tea. Fruits, veggies. Fruit, bumili ako ng orange. Iceberg lettuce. Then, balik tayo sa mga karne dahil ipapile up ko ito sa freezer. Ano to? Cheddar cheese. So, diretso lang siguro tayo sa freezer, no? Papakita ko sa inyo ang bahay mamaya pagkatapos ko dito sa fridge. Ayan, may instruction, nakapasatay. Ita-translate natin yan mamaya. So, first tayo sa freezer. Malamig na yung freezer kanina pagdating namin. Okay. This is soft rib. Pork soft rib. Masarap din yan siya sa barbecue. Chicken thighs. Ayan, chicken thighs. Barbecue din yan. Chicken breast. For me, for my protein. Ito is chicken leg. Para kay Kalisi. Kasi gusto ni Kalisi ito. Binuboil ko lang. And siniserve kay Kalisi. Sayang wala akong cellophane na maliliit. Para sana ko na sila, ma-divide. Para kung ano lang yung lulutuin, yun lang yung ilalabas natin, hindi na yung buong pack. So, hanap muna ako ng mga maliliit na cellophane dito. Alam niyo ba ang Thailand, best in cellophane yan sila. Okay, lamb chops. Ito yan sa taas. What else? Okay, bacon. Dapat, wala kasi akong maliliit na cellophane ba? Bacon, hahati-hatiin naman natin ito siya dahil hindi ito maluluto sa isang lutuan lang. Pero naubusan na naman ako ng plastic. So, gawan ko to ng paraan later. Then, for the next nights, we have strip loin. Pork belly. Salami. So, wala nang frozen dito. Chiller na lang. Salami. Smoked. Next natin ay itong mga smoked sausages. Bumili din siya ng Montreal steak seasonings. Kasi hindi ako nakapag-pack. Nakalimutan din niya. Ni-remind ako. So, wala kami dalang spices, kaunti lang. Fruits natin dito na lang sa baba. Dito na pa sa gilid. Fruits. And itong Meiji chocolate drink. Iceberg lettuce here. Cheese, cheddar cheese. Hulog mo na doon. Ito, kailangan na natin silang i-line up. Oh, sayang magkasya. Yun lang. Greek yogurt para sa aking breakfast. Eggs. Don't have extra plastic for this bacon. Have to find plastics. Meron akong pinya. I have to cut this one muna para ma-serve ko na siya and mapalamig. Olive with butter. Ito, yogurt drink. Na lang siya sa likod. So, hindi ko alam kung aabutin ito ng 1 month. Ng 1 week. I think this will be enough for a week. Kiwi para sa aking yogurt. Ita-toppings ko yan sa aking yogurt. Kumuha na din ako ng dragon fruit para isasabay sa aking yogurt. Toppings. Mustard para sa mga sauce. Baby pipino. Lahat nakikita niyong greens at saka fruit sa akin yan. And coffee ko. May stevia pa ba ako? So, hindi natin ito ilagay sa fridge. Okay, so that's it. Yung aming na family. Yung uling kanina dumaan kami dun sa market. Hindi naman market, parang tindahan lang dyan sa labas. Ikakat ko muna ito para isuserve mamaya sa dinner.